Background and purpose. The compass was invented in China around the 11th century and it was initially used for navigation and geomancy. It is later spread to the Arab world and Europe, becoming a crucial tool during the age of exploration. Its main purpose is to determine direction by using a Earth magnetic
For
field,
those
aiding
wondering, what
navigation
is
on
compass
land
actually?
and sea.
A compass is a navigation tool that shows direction using Earth magnetic field. It is typically point north and help in finding bearings.
So the type of magnet used is permanent magnet in the compass. It is because when the when the needle of the compass is go toward the north pole of the earth, so it's actually the earth is imitating the behavior of permanent magnet, but quite opposite. It is because the north pole of magnetic field is attract and the north pole of the permanent magnet is out. So the permanent magnet in the compass is actually point out to the North Pole is actually attract because when north and north in permanent magnet reel, it will
The compass
repel.
needle is very
But
sensitive to the
in this
electromagnetic
case,
field
north
of the
pole
Earth.
of
So
magnetic field of
whenever
the
you get
earth
lost
is
somewhere,
attract
by
to
having
the north
compass,
pole
we
of the
can get
permanent
to
magnet.
know where we are going.
So since earth is always spinning and spinning, the north pole is not on a straight line to the top of the earth. So the North Pole magnet is in the compass is attracted to North Pole magnetic field.
Compass has got four components that important in connecting dipole interaction of Earth's magnetic field, which is magnetic needle, compass card, pivot point, and base or housing of the compass.
Importance of magnetism in a compass. Why magnetism is essential for the operation of a compass? It is because it as a giant magnet, magnetic needle function, and direction finding. What happens if magnet were not present in a compass? Essentially, the compass would become a non-functional tool, no more useful than a piece of metal floating on a rivet. What happens if the compass needle is demagnetized or interpolation? The interference can cause the needle to deviate from magnetic north, resulting in false bearing. How compass malfunction affect direction and safety? It can increase the risk of injury, dehydration, or exposure to harsh weather.
This is a real world application of compass. The first one, hiking or survival. Hikers use compasses to navigate in jungles where GPS signals are unavailable. The second one is maritime. It helps ships and planes stay on course using magnetic north. The third one is military use. It compass is used in strategic missions. Historical importance of compass. Firstly, age of exploration. The compass was a critical invention during the 13th to 17th centuries. It enabled European explorers to navigate oceans without relying solely on celestial cues. Secondly, scientific connection. The compass operates by aligning a magnetized needle with Earth's magnetic field, which practical use of magnetism in physics.
How properties enhance the compass efficiency, performance, or safety? First, the needle's natural alignment, which Earth's magnetic field provide a fast, reliable way to find direction without batteries or satellites. Next, protection, damping, and accurate magnetic response make the compass usable in raw terrain or boats or during storms. Last, for safety, correct direction finding can prevent getting lost, ensure timely rescue, and reduce risk in remote environments.
We can see the impact of magnetism in society in three aspects, which contributed to exploration and mapping the world, reliable tool in remote and digital free environments, and educational use in science and geography. Physics behind compass. First, Earth's magnetic field. Earth behaves like a giant bar magnet due to the movement of molten iron and nickel in its outer core. This movement generates a geomagnetic field with a magnetic north and south pole.
In conclusion, we learned that magnets are not just used in big machines. They are also important in simple devices like the compass. Even though there are modern tools like GPS, the compass is still useful because it doesn't need batteries or signals. Here are some of the references we use. That's all from us. Thank you.